How to install 1 light LNC gold wire pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the ball knobs from the canopy, then remove the mounting plate. Use the Allen wrench to unscrew the screw in strain relief. Carefully pull and push the cord. Carefully and gently pull the outlet box wires through the mounting plate. Attach mounting plate to outlet box with mounting screws. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Align the holes in the canopy with the mounting screws. Attach the canopy using ball knobs. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.